Hi guys, I'm Ethan, and today we're doing Extreme Toys TV Lost Files. Bum, bum, bum. This was videos that didn't quite make it to YouTube. So, hope you enjoy. Peace out. Hey guys, we're at SeaWorld today. Let's go see what we can find. Look at this octopus. I'm touching a shark. Hey guys, there's Pokemon everywhere. There's even this guy I'm catching. There we go. Got him. Look how many Pokemon there are. This is all SeaWorld. All of this is SeaWorld. And they have Magikarps nearby. This is a Megalodon, a teenager. I can't imagine the size of an adult Megalodon. I think it's not still alive. That would be what's in these?
Sand.
Sure doesn't feel like sand. Big dust storm, and we're gonna stand here and wait for it. So we'll see what happens. Guys, check this out. Since it's all dust back there, it's getting just bigger and bigger and bigger. Looks like that's the small one, that's the big one. Looks like they might come together and form a bigger one. Oh my gosh, it's coming like right there. It's like right there. It's all happy, cloudy, and look at the sun. It's like blacked out with dust. Click up there to watch where we go to the tide pools and see little creatures and fish and stuff like that. Or click down there to watch where you see the giant lizard eat the toxic ooze. If you want to check out our Facebook page and below, then there it is. And as usual, like and subscribe.
and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.